Hey there mga my loves Capricorn. Thank you so much for always being here with me in this channel. So before we start diving into this reading of yours, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay for you. At wala tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT cross watchers. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that since this is general reading. And at the end of the day, wag niyong kakalimutan na kayo ay may free will. Syempre naman, of course, pwede mo yung gamitin anytime. Hi and hello, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome, welcome. Sa pabalik-balik na subscribers, maraming thank you po sa patuloy at wala talaga ninyong patid na pag-support here. So yun nga, no, let's go ahead and check this out. Spirits and Angel guys, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. Can we please have messages for my Capricorn people, please? This is for me, Capricorn people. Capricorn. Capricorn. Messages for me, Capricorn, please. What does Capricorn needs to know? Mga posible or maaaring maging kaganapan here for my Capricorn people. Can you please show me? Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Archangel Michael. Can you please have messages here for Capricorn, please? Okay, so let's get into this reading for my dear Capricorn. So Capricorn, the first message that we've got here for you guys is this Empress. Wow! Abundance, prosperity. Looks like something is about to happen here in your life. This is something big. This is a new beginning, no? Para kayo ritong pinanganak ulit, no? Like, para kayong ni-reborn dito ulit, Capricorn, no? I'm seeing wealth coming into your life. Not just wealth. You're attracting positivities, positive things, yung lahat ng mga gusto mong mangyari na nasa subconscious thoughts mo, and everything that you want to happen, you wish for, no, whatever it is, no, maybe not all na sabay-sabay ha, but you're attracting here something that will make you abundant. Maybe it has something to do sa mga wini-wish, dinidesire mo, no. I'm seeing you attracting here all the good things, yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa life mo, no, and I'm seeing na kung ano lang dito yung saya, magpapagalak sa'yo, yun lang yung naa-attract mo. Very good, no, Capricorn, no? You're not attracting negativities here, but you're attracting abundance, prosperity, money is coming towards you, healthy options, healthy opportunities, healthy offers when it comes to love, if you're looking for that, no? Pero kahit na hindi ka looking for that, I'm sensing, no, that love is being attracted to you as well, no? So, maaaring magkaroon ka rin dito ng options when it comes to love. Yeah, no? And yung iba naman pwedeng offers when it comes to money, finances, and business-related things. Yeah, look at that. See? I'm seeing you meeting here someone special. Capricorn, look at that. We have here this Two of Wands. So, someone here is about to take this risk, no? Mag-reveal na to ng emotions and feelings for you. Dati siya nag-hesitate, no? Hindi sa'yo, okay? Sigurado siya sa'yo, no? Na ikaw na talaga because this person is seeing you as an empress, no? Kaya lang, parang nakuha tayo dito ng energy na parang sometimes nagsiself-pity siya, na parang doesn't have to be self-pity talaga. Parang iniisip niya na because mataas ang tingin niya sa'yo, no? Very respected ka niya. Nakikita ko dito na parang sometimes na feeling niya hindi siya bagay for you, like, deserve ka ba niya, yung parang gano'n, no? Parang this person kasi parang medyo mababa yung self-esteem niya, no, or yung confidence niya, no? Kasi nga, this person is looking at you as the empress, no? Parang feeling niya, hindi pa sapat yung kung ano yung meron or kung ano yung kaya niyang ibigay, gano'n, no? Kasi nakikita ka niya as someone na sobrang parang deserve mo ng lahat ng mga magagandang bagay, na deserve mo na mapabilang, no, sa isang klase ng love and relationship kung saan, no, handang ibigay ito sa'yo, gano'n. Parang siya yung klase ng energy dito na parang feeling ko hindi ako nababagay sa'yo, Capricorn, eh, mga gano'n. So, nakita ko rito na pagdating sa emotions and feelings, no, yun, parang medyo medyo emotional yung nakukuha nating energy sa kanya 'no. Pero sa nakikita ko rito, you're not looking for, you're not greedy, hindi ka naman tumitingin dun sa, dapat mayaman or mga gano'n 'no, na aspeto. But you know who you deserve and what you deserve in your life 'no. And this person who is about to confess feelings and emotions for you 'no, malaki yung potential niya rito na maging successful kasi masipag at masigasig siya. Kaya kung mga babes 'no, ganyan siya 'no, sa pagtingin niya sa'yo, I think yan rin yung magiging kalakasan niya para mas iangat pa yung sarili niya. May potential siya rito, no, to grow. May success akong nakikita rito. Yung iba puwedeng meron ditong age gap, like literally puwedeng older ka sa kanya but doesn't have to be. Pero nakikita ko rito yung agwat ng inyong energy. Kasi ikaw kasi mga babes 'no, parang ikaw kasi yung klase ng energy na parang you're not craving talaga for love. You're not chasing it, 'no? Pero people is being, attracted here into your energy and this person is one of them. And because of that, this person here 'no, is nakikita ko dito na may something special sa kanya kaya mapapansin mo siya. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. Yung iba, ka-deal niyo na ito ngayon 'no, yung iba naman mga babes 'no, um, puwedeng sinubukan na i-avoid 'tong situation na 'to pero ngayon nagiging matapang na siya Capricorn na i-offer 'yan sa'yo. See, Page of Cups energy 'no, Page of Cups energy talagang gusto niya rito, excited siya, to deal something, deeper 'no or mas malalim na koneksyon rito 'no sa inyong dalawa 'no. Alam mo kasi sa classic tarot, etong Page of Cups energy, 'yan yung excited, sariling huli niya 'tong isda na 'to mga babes, siya ang humuli niyan, okey? Pero imbes na kainin niya 'yan 'no, iaalay niya 'yan 'no sa crush niya at walang iba kundi ikaw 'yon 'no. Ikaw yung ultimate crush niya rito 'no, ikaw yung gusto niyang pag-alayan yan, special yan, kasi yan yung bagong huling isda, 'di ba? Dapat siya, mga babes 'no, ang kakain niyan pero hindi, handa ka niyan na, um, iihaw yung isda na yan at ialay sa'yo. Ganyan yung energy ng Page of Cups at yung iba nga kagaya ng nasabi ko maaaring meron ditong age gap 'no, maaaring doesn't have to be, na malayo yung agwat ng age gap dito 'no, pero maaari kasing mas matured ka 'no, in way of thinking 'no, kaysa sa kanya here. But there's also age something here 'no, difference ganyan 'no. Pero kung sino man siya nakikita ko 'no, na malaki yung potential niya rito na mapantayan kung ano man yung energy yung ibubuga mo 'no. And I think mararamdaman mo yun because you will feel that this person here is special. Makikita mo siya in a different light here. And yeah, we have here this Three of Swords energy, okay? I'm seeing you that you came from a place 'no, na talagang na-broken heart ka 'no. Doesn't have to be na love lang 'no. You've been disappointed with the people na binigyan mo ng tiwala noon 'no, pero naghilom na 'yan kaya may bandage na dito. Yung iba na-involve talaga kayo sa third party situation, yung iba doesn't have to be na romantic feelings lang na na-involve kayo with someone else 'no. So nakikita ko dito na iba naman 'no, puwedeng hindi kayo yung pinili 'no, when it comes sa work 'no. May nakita rin ako dito na puwedeng nagkaroon ng betrayal when it comes to work 'no, and I think na puwedeng hindi kayo yung pinanigan or pinaniwalaan, that's very specific that we have to mention. Pero kung ano man yun, humilom na yan and I'm seeing you that you're moving towards your life kaya naging empress ka na. Okay, I do pick up right here na maraming mga positibong mga pangyayaring naghihintay para sa'yo 'no, at alam mo ikaw yung klase ng energy na parang hindi kayong mapirmi sa bahay 'no, or yung parang energy na doesn't have to be na layas ka ng layas or gala ka 'no, pero parang you're not wasting your time 'no, staying at home, okay? You're doing something or yung iba naman puwedeng work work at home kayo 'no, work from home I mean 'no, pero alam mo yun 'no, nandodo'n ka, you're doing something na may kabuluhan yung oras mo and I'm seeing here 'no, na ikaw 'to na klase ng energy 'no, na yung abundance na yan ay talagang galing din sa tulong mo, okay? Because you're showing effort, you're showing passion, you're showing dedication here, and you're thinking about yourself. You're not being greedy and selfish, ha? You're just, natutunan mo kasi realizing to give to yourself in order for the abundance, prosperity, healthy options, no, na pumunta at ma-attract mo, no? So you're like a magician, no? Kaya yung tinataas mo diyan, no, magician's energy. no? That is the magician's wand. Yan, no? Tingnan mo yung trees sa likod mo, no? Yan ay mga parang pine trees na nabubuhay lang, no, sa mga malalamig, no, mga cold na mga lugar, no? So, I'm seeing here na talagang may stability, no? Maraming stability no paparating sa'yo, no? At nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, that there will come a time that you will just sit, no, sa iyong chair, no, and money is being attracted to you, like effortlessly. And I'm seeing that it could be business, no? Na parang yung business na yun kahit tulog ka, no? Gumagalaw, no? So whatever the case may be, yan, no? Money is coming to you. Magaling ka at nakikita ko na mahahasa pa yan, no? Capricorn, kung ano man yung mangyayari rito sa kaperahan mo, mahahasa yung skills mo dyan, mai-enhance yan, no? And also, this person finds you really attractive, no? Alam mo, hindi ka talaga niya sinukuan kahit na parang at the back of his or her mind, no? Iniisip niya na may pagka-suplada or suplado ka, no? Or parang ang hirap mong i-approach, no? Pero may nararamdaman siya sa'yo na mabait ka or what, no? So, pinupush na talaga tong connection na to sa'yo, no? This person finds you sexy, no? Matalino, and sexy in a way na ang galing mo kasi mag-handle ng situation, especially kapag ka parang, alam mo yung getting the word multitask, no? Parang pag sabay-sabay mo dinidil yung situation, mas lalo siya ritong humahanga at nagiging proud sa'yo, no? And this person here is parang, kasi yung aura ng iba sa inyo. Alam niyo yung ano, yung facial features niyo, yung mukha lang kayong suplado at suplada, pero hindi naman. Parang ganun. So, whatever the case may be, no, I do pick up. No? Eh, parang for example, no, yung face ko, mga best, no? Kung titingnan mo parang suplada, 'di ba? Pero pag tinanong mo ko ng direksyon, no, baka bigyan pa kitang pamasahe. Ay miss, ano nga pa yung ano, yung bandang ano dito, "Ay dun po, kumanan kayo diyan tapos ano, itatawag pa kita ng taxi. Kuya sakay mo nga 'to, dun 'to sa may ano." 'Di ba? So ang tingin niya sa inyo rito parang medyo suplada't suplada kayo. I think because of your facial features 'no, pero puwede rin naman na kasi, um anong tawag nito, yung dating niyo 'no is kung titingnan mo sa unang tingin 'no, parang hindi approachable pero yun nga 'no, this person feels something that you are kinda sweet and soft inside 'no, yung gano'n. So, this person is pursuing you. And at the bottom of the deck, we have here this 5 of coins, 6 of cups, and ang pagbabalik 'no, ang pagbabalik ng taong nilisan at inabandona ka, Capricorn 'no. So this person here is coming back 'no, around. Doesn't have to be na makikipagbalikan siya agad sa'yo 'no, pero pinapakita siya sa'kin dito kasi mukhang may mababalitaan ka sa kanya rito na hindi maganda ang kanyang pinansiyal. Magbabalik siya sa buhay mo pero hindi yung babalik na magcha-chat siya sa'yo ta's makikipagbalikan, hindi gano'n. May makakarating na balita sa'yo na parang meron siya ritong pinagdadaanan na hindi maganda especially sa usaping pinansiyal 'no. At nakita ko dito mga babes 'no, kung sino man yung makikilala mo rito or nakilala na ng iba sa inyo 'no, puwedeng nanggaling siya sa isang malayong lugar or puwedeng sa ibang bansa 'no. Ano man yung i-o-offer niya sa'yo is something sincere coming from the bottom of his or her heart, and this is his or her love for you. Very passionate, very emotional 'no, and this person's love for you will be overflowing like this. This person will love you for who you are, Capricorn 'no, and this person is definitely someone that has a potential na siya na talaga yung pakakasalan mo with that bird in there. And this is the hand of the universe, which is I love, because this is like, siya yung padala ni universe here for you. So I do pick up that this person here, dati ang bagal ng pagdating niya sa life mo, pero dahil naging impress ka na rito, Chariot is the fastest card in the tarot, and Knight of Pentacles is the slowest knight. But then again, there's moderation na, balance na rito, no? So nakikita ko rito that this person here will definitely enter your world in no time. So expect that. Yeah, look at that. See the Hermit together with the Chariot, two major arcanas, indications that this person, whoever this soulmate of yours appearing here, is somewhat receiving messages, no, na mag-travel na ngayon, no, kasi maaari na kayong mag-meet na dalawa. So whatever the case may be, take this how this resonates here with you, Capricorn. Grab these messages. If this is connecting to your heart, then you can claim it. So thank you so much. Sana ngayon love and light. Annyeong.